This is an unboxing and review of the Chaceef mini rice cooker. As we open the box, you can see here is the manual. And now you can see in here is a spoon that it comes with, the power cord, and let's take out the rice cooker. Wow, look at the beautiful beige with the gold accents. Here you can see the vent here for steam. And here are the button controls on the front. There's where you plug in the power cord. And there are holes on the bottom for heat dissipation. Here's a small measuring cup. And here's the inner pot with its beautiful copper finish. And you can see there's some measurements here which we'll read from the inside. Also notice that the inside of the pot has a non-stick coating, which makes it really easy to clean with soap and water. Notice inside there's the heating mechanism and an inner lid which is removable for washing. And you'll see here it has a rubber gasket which is removable for washing. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back inside. And let's put the pot back inside as well. Now let's prepare some rice. I'm now adding the water and now the rice. And now I'll close the lid and plug the power cord in. And now I've selected the white rice setting since I'm cooking white rice. After a few minutes, you will see steam coming out of the top. Okay, the cooker has completed its cycle and it is now in the keep warm setting. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and open it. Wow, look at that rice. It's so beautiful and fluffy. Let's go ahead and put some of this in a bowl and look at it. Oh, it is so fluffy. And look, that 2 cups of rice really made so much rice. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another container and keep filling that up. Okay, let's go ahead and see how easy it is to clean it up. And let's remove the inner lid. Oh, I need to unplug it. And now I'm just washing everything with some soap and water. And then, of course, rinsing. And then wiping with a soft cotton cloth. And now I'm just wiping away any moisture that might have collected on the pot. And now we'll put the inner pot back in and the inner lid. And finally closing the rice cooker lid. So in review, I really like this rice cooker. It was really easy to use. It's compact and easy to store. It's beautiful. It's really suitable for dormitories, RVs, camping. But overall, I think this is just a great thing for my small family to use to cook my rice.